Well, thunderstorm coming over, so that ends my fishing here at the camp. Kind of sucks. Well, that's all right. There's another day. Beautiful, huh? Yeah, lightning. Hear the thunder in the distance. Cold rain. Oy. Well, it was worth the time I spent down here already. Oh boy. Now the long ride out of here and then go home. All in all, it's been a great Saturday. A little wet, but otherwise than that. But I still have my coffee. It's ice cold. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a good weekend.